Hi, today is February the 15th and this is the SPX outlook for the coming days. This is recorded just before 5 a.m. Eastern, and we are now looking at a 4-hour chart. And as you can see, after a sell-off where the 44.55 was broken sharply, brutally on Friday evening, yesterday the market hovered kind of directionless, and this morning, surprisingly, considering that we've got PPI coming, the market is shooting up to go back to that same test level, 4455. So I would wait for PPI to get any hint about how strong this recovery could be. I would assume that the gesticulations in Russia about Ukraine may have abated lately. I mean, this is still very much of a roller coaster, unpredictable market. But I would assume this is also here the fib, a strong one. So I would assume the market will bump here. And if we look for clues from the very correlated indices like the Nasdaq is also back. I mean, it broke the 14,375 to shoot up, and I think this level is probably the next target. Otherwise, it's going to be 14,690, 14,700. I would think the market needs to take a breather from here. I mean, the recovery is a little bit too strong for pre-market. So back to this. Now, if we look at the 1-hour chart for today, same levels obviously, and we have this 44.55, maybe 44.65 as an immediate target, and PPI could actually send the market down again. So I'm afraid it's still a very agitated market. We're still in the backwardation, even though it's not as bad as it was yesterday or Friday. If we look at the raised credit market, the 2-year, 10-year bounced off this strong support on 3.9. And now it's going up to pre-sell-off levels. But I would say that if rates go up, it's still going to be pretty tricky going forward. In terms of move from growth to value, it's still a trading range, slightly bearish, but there again, we could actually aim back at above 195 if the FANGs behave well today. I would say this is the trading range now, 190 to probably 202. So if we look at FANGs, actually it's a hybrid symbol with Tesla and Microsoft. This is where the market broke the support on Friday, trying to aim back at it. Of course, those leaders, market leaders, can make hail or shine on the market overall. So we will see. I would say if it breaks 36.30 and goes back to the previous range, we may have an up move. But there again, we have a pretty strong support turned resistance lately. So I would assume the market will again hover maybe now in higher ground above the high level volume level 44.20.25. But it looks like it could run out of steam unless, of course, PPI comes at a fantastic level. Consensus is already on 9.2, so I would say still a very bearish, grim-looking PPI consensus, so we will see how it goes. I would assume we're not out of the woods yet. Okay, that is it for now. Of course, more updates on the Slack channel. If you need an invite, please drop a message below. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.